shaft goes up through a bush. Make a new bush for that because I don't like piss wobbly slack things. There's a bush to make for in there. That gear meshes into that one, so I need to set the distance between the back of that gear and that part there, because the shaft runs on there and that's what takes the thrust. All that does is turn it. So we need to work out how much shaft we need poking out the end really to get a good mesh. Because once that gear's shrunk on or pressed on, that's it, it's on. We'll go across to the vise, put it in the vise, and put some slip gauges under the end so we can sort of work out where we're going to go. If I put it on too far, it just means we can machine a little bit off the end of it. As you can see, the gear's had a bit of a miserable life anyway. There's bits missing off it. So obviously it can't go like that because it's fouling on the casting, so we need to put some spacers in just to get some idea of that's better, but it's still that's too much. I want to try and get the edge of the gear level. I'll try that with that one. That looks alright. It's well into mesh. And I could machine a little bit off the end of the bar once it's through there if I had to. I think we'll go for that. That distance out the end of there. Now we can work out the distance that the gear needs to go on there. I'm going to machine a spacer and I can just drop on and probably hold on with a hose clip down there, so I can heat the gear up, drop it on and just slide down the shaft and hopefully touch that spacer, and that'll be it at the right height. It's got one chance. We're going to go and see what happens. This nuts made a nice material. It's very nicely that. Got the height set there, so when that gear is dropped on, touching that nut, it'll be the right distance. We're going to warm the nut up, drop it onto there. I've got a hammer ready just in case, but I think it should just slip on there just nice. red hot moment of truth. You got your thumbs right, John. John, you got your thumbs right, son. That bastard shrinks onto there. Should be tight. She's got it now. It's a little bit like fitting a car in gear. I only hope the gear doesn't split as it shrinks down. It's a tooth outfit. I think that should be alright. Now I've got the gear on the right way around. Pleased with that. They're cool, natural, no shrinkage or nothing daft like that. I need to replace that bush in there, it's quite badly worn. We've got a suitable drift here, should hopefully just knock out. There's. See how badly worn it is. I think a piece of bronze will make a new bush for it. It's a bit big, but it's all I've got. It is actually bronze. I'm sure we'll get one out of the end of there without wasting too much material. Put a nice big drill through just so I can get the boring bar into it. The short piece was parted off the end of the shaft. That was the small diamond, and that's a slightly bigger one. That's what the gear went on to. That's what it wouldn't. So basically I've got to go no-go gauge for the bore. So it's really a funny's hair on the tight side, a couple of thou with that. Oh. Setting, it's still taking material out. Not much, but it is taking material out. A little bit of warmth in there so it will shrink. And so that goes, and that doesn't quite. A little bit more. We're not looking for a perfect fit, we want a good running fit. Right, by the time that cools down, it's going to be perfect. 1-1 the same setting. That was a touch and shrinking and nipping it as it cools. good, I like that. Now for the OD, I'll have to let this cool to get that OD right. This should be the last cut. I've had to slow things right down because it was starting to chatter with the bush being so thin. Now it feels like it will tap into there. I've got the housing warming up in front of me, little diesel heater, just to take the chill off it. Right, it's all ready to go in. I made a little tool to drive it in with. Right, that's the dog's bollocks, as they say. Right, so that's a really nice fit in there. Very nice. We can basically try this together now and see what sort of mesh we've got on the gear. I'm expecting to have to put shims underneath here, but I don't. Yeah, I have got to put shims underneath here to remove any of that. But basically, we're back to our working item again. That's still got plenty of mesh on that gear.
Once again, it's time to say thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like what you see, you need to subscribe. Have yourselves a lovely night, and I'll see you all again next time I'm in town. Bye!
Bastard!